Lunchtime. I have 5 easy lunches to share with you today, and each one of them you can easily pack up and take on the go. Salads are so versatile and point friendly, so that is where we're going to start. We're making up a Cobb salad. We are going to start off with the base of our salad, and that is lettuce. I am using this classic iceberg salad from Walmart. Now, if you have chicken, I would use chicken. I do not have it, so I am using some ham. For 2 to 3 slices of ham, it is only 1 point. And I'm also adding some turkey bacon. If you have the points, you can use regular bacon. Cucumber adds a delicious crunch to a salad. I am using English cucumbers. I have a couple of grape tomatoes. You can cut these in half if you want them a little smaller. And a half of a boiled egg. If you really like egg in your salad, you can use the whole egg. For this salad, all you would have to do is put a little of your favorite dressing on the top. Ranch dressing is only 2 points for 1 tablespoon. I enjoy going to buffets where they have a big spread of salad toppings set out, and I always tend to make basically a Cobb salad. I like a little bit of egg and ham and cheese in my salad, but for me, ranch dressing just makes it perfect. Now, I know you can get the Skinny Taste ranch dressing, and there's a lot more different ones out there that you can purchase that are low in point. But if I'm really wanting just normal ranch, I mean, it's only a few points for a tablespoon. A tablespoon goes a long way. It doesn't drown my salad in ranch dressing, but it gives me just enough dressing on that salad that satisfies my taste buds. There are many times I just get a rotisserie chicken from Sam's Club. They're less than $5, and I use these in my lunches. It's very easy to just pull the meat off from that chicken, pop it into a salad, pop it into a wrap, a quesadilla, whatever I'm in the mood for that day. But today I'm gonna make an Asian lunch with my rotisserie chicken. I have my pan heating up on my stove, and I'm going to pour in the deluxe stir fry. This is from Walmart. It has all kinds of goodies in it. I love this stuff. I'm gonna use this teriyaki sauce because I have it on hand. This is the Frank's Red Hot Wings Stinging Honey Teriyaki. For 1 tablespoon, it is 2 points. 2 tablespoons is 4 points. I have some rotisserie chicken that I got from Sam's Club. I'm just gonna add that right into the vegetables. I'm gonna pour a little bit of this sauce over the top of everything, and I'm gonna let it keep cooking through. On this burner, I cooked up some rice. This is just minute rice. You can use any kind of rice that you want. But for a half a cup of rice, it is 3 points. So I'm going to measure this out, and I'm gonna put it in my bowl. Now that this is cooked through, I'm going to add a little bit of this right into the bowl of rice. I'm gonna count 2 points for the sauce because I barely have sauce on here. So with the sauce and the rice, this ends up being a 5-point lunch. The teriyaki sauce that I used, we found a 3-pack of sauces over the Christmas season. I am really hoping that I can find this teriyaki sauce again because it was delicious. It was a little bit of sweet with a tiny hint of spice. When I was eating my teriyaki chicken, I was like, ooh, it just gave it that little bit of something that was a perfect addition to this dish. Maybe I'll be able to find it online. I was goofing around on Pinterest the other day and come across this amazing Italian sub salad. You don't need bread to have an Italian sub for lunch. So I am starting off with the base of my salad, and that is the classic iceberg salad from Walmart. For meat, I'm using Black Forest ham from Sam's Club. 2 to 3 slices is only 1 point. You can add any other kind of lunch meat to the salad. You would just have to adjust your points. I'm adding some English cucumber. You can add onion, pepperoncinis would be good in this. I like tomatoes in my salad along with some red peppers. For cheese, I'm using fat-free mozzarella. 1 ounce of this cheese is 0 points. You can find this at Walmart. For dressing, I have a couple of different options. I have a fat-free zesty Italian. For 1 tablespoon, it is 0 points. Or I had the Olive Garden signature Italian dressing for 1 tablespoon. It is 2 points. Just depends on how many points I have for the day. I will usually use this because it's 0 points. But if I want it extra special, I use this. To top off this delicious salad, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Italian seasoning over everything. It just adds a little something to your salad. Salads are so easy to take on the go. You can just put them in a bento box and keep it in your refrigerator. Make 4 or 5 of them and stack them up for the week. Easy to grab, easy to go. There are many times where we go to a sub place, especially on the weekends. Grabbing a sandwich is one of the things that we enjoy doing, and I like a good Italian sub sandwich, but the bread is high in calories. So why not take everything that you find on an Italian sub that is your favorite, put it into a bowl, cut the calories out from the bread, add a little fat-free dressing, and it tastes just as good as if I was going to a sub shop. But I don't get all the calories and I can stay within my points because I'm controlling it. I love tacos, and if I can have a taco for lunch that's low point, I'm there. And I have rediscovered these little taco boats. Now for one of these, it is only 3 points. Now for taco meat, you can use beef or you can use ground turkey. I am using lean ground beef, and I have found through the Weight Watcher app, lean ground beef is only 1 point per ounce. So I am using 3 ounces of lean ground beef. I'm gonna fill my little taco boat with that, which makes this 6 points. But 3 ounces really fills this up well. I have some fat-free cheddar cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit over the top of it. Doesn't even count as a point because there's barely any there. I have some light sour cream. I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit of that on the top. Again, I'm not counting this because it is really low in points. What a delicious little filling lunch this makes. I hope you give it a try. You're gonna love it too. Most times I have a taco salad, but now that I've discovered these little taco boats or bowls, I am going to be enjoying a nice soft-shelled style taco every once in a while for lunch, and maybe even some of our dinners too. In a previous video, I had made some taco boats. They were really good. That got me thinking about what else I can do with zucchini. Let me show you how I'm making a delicious lunch with zucchini. So I have a zucchini that I have cut in half and hollowed out the middles. And this is zucchini boats. We are making pizza zucchini boats today. I am using a 1/3 cup of pizza sauce. I'm just using the Great Value brand. You can use any one that you like. This is only 1 point for this sauce. I'm gonna put this into the little zucchini boats first. I have some reduced fat mozzarella. You can also use fat-free. I couldn't find fat-free this time. I'm gonna sprinkle this down over the zucchini boat. This is about 1 point for mozzarella cheese. You can also use Parmesan. On top of the cheese, I am placing 4 pepperoni. You can use turkey pepperoni. You can use ham or even chicken. You can also use any other kind of toppings that you would like on your pizza boat. Onion, black olives, mushrooms, whatever you're in the mood for lunch today. I have my oven preheated to 200 degrees. I'm gonna put these in for about 20 to 25 minutes. Oh, these smell fantastic. So for very low points, you get a delicious filling lunch. All of the measurements and details are linked below. If I hollow out the zucchini boats just a little more, I can stuff some more things inside of it. That's what's awesome about pizza. It's so versatile, whether you make it with zucchini boats, 100-calorie English muffins, 2-ingredient dough, it's good no matter what. And it's easy to heat up. I hope this has given you some fresh ideas for lunches and keeping your points on the lower side for the day. What are some of your favorite lunches? Let me know in the comments below. Did you know I have another WW lunch video for you? Also, a playlist. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.